This is dumb. This is really stupid. But here we go. Right, this is not one of the smartest things I've ever done. But I've checked, there's oil in the final drive, there's oil in the middle gearbox. Not much, but there is a bit in there. I need to go for a ride. Just do a bit of a shakedown, make sure it cycles through all the gears. Let's see what happens with the smoke in the exhaust pipe. There's nothing left to do but getting on with it, eh? Tyres are like petrified wood. I've got a bloody fuel can just hanging off the handlebars. I have fashioned a GoPro just pointing down at the exhaust pipe, but of course it's a Japanese bike, so we all know what that means. And demonetized. I've got no brakes, I've only got the back brake. This is as sketchy as. Alright, so tell you what, it's not teabag. Got no mirrors. Yes. It's in gear, don't know what gear. It's in neutral now. The gear indicator was working, nothing there seems to be now. Man, this is sketchy. Well, it's not too bad. Everything's working. It's a little bit sketchy at the front. I don't know. I may have made a schoolboy error. Someone's got the brakes off this, haven't they? Is that front wheel tight? All right. Right, we've achieved what we wanted to achieve. Let's get it back inside. This is going to be a really short video, guys, because I've got other crap I've got to do. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I'll catch you next time on Andy's Motorcycle Obsessions. Bye for now.